Hey everybody, I just wanted to let you know, I know that previous video ended kind of abruptly, but we're just going to stop it here because this is the last day. This is May 1st. This is the last day of new content, and you do not need to turn anything in. That the project that we were just working on called Heart Parts, you don't need to turn that in at all. But I just wanted to let you know what a pleasure it's been teaching you this year. I'm sorry this school year had to end this way, but I look forward to seeing you all next year, and hopefully I'll have you in some of my classes. Um, and you will have until Monday, I believe, to turn this assignment in. After that, I prefer that you have it done today by 3, but I will be checking on Monday to see if anything else was turned in. After that, the grades will be cut off unless you have missing work that you have to do that, and you had a previous grade that was failing. So email me if you're in that situation, but otherwise you guys have a great summer.